गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। वीडियो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री पार्ट 1 का ये हमारा 8वां वीडियो है। इसमें हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इंटीग्रेटेड रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू टेक सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन whose rate the reaction whose rate is depend upon concentration of two reactants. Second order reaction is a reaction where the rate of this reaction is depend upon the concentration of two reactants, but these two reactants may be same or different. If the reactants are same, then the reaction in such a way A plus A changes to product, and second one is the A plus B changes to product. There are two types of reaction. In that reaction, two reactant molecules are involved. In first reaction, two reactant of a same molecule are involved, and in the second reaction, two reactant of different molecules are involved. Now we are studying here the integrated rate constant for second order reaction, but the reaction is this. When the reactant is of a same molecule. Now here discussing the rate expression when the concentration of both the reactant are equal. Suppose a chemical reaction is suppose a chemical reaction is A plus A changes to product. Suppose a chemical reaction is A plus A changes to product. Here we have to write the initial concentration of reactant. Initial concentration. Suppose initial concentration of reactant is small a. Initial concentration of reactant again A. Then concentration of product is 0. Let X moles of reactant is converted into product. X moles of reactant converted into product. Then the concentration of reactant after time t. Concentration of a reactant after time t is A minus X, and this is also A minus X. A is the initial concentration of reactant of both the reactant. X be the number of moles of reactant which is converted into a product. Then the concentration of a reactant for this reactant is A minus X, A minus X. Now according to the rate law expression, rate of reaction is equal to K. Rate of reaction is equal to 1 minute. According to the rate law expression, rate of reaction is equal to dx divided by dt is equal to K concentration of A again concentration of A. dx by dt is equal to k a minus x a minus x. dx by dt is equal to k into a minus x into a minus x, means a minus x square. Now rearrange the above equation. Rearrange the above equation. dx divided by a minus x square k into dt. Now on integration or integrating above equation, integration dx divided by a minus x square is equal to k into dt, integration k into dt. The value of integration of dx by a minus x square will becomes as 1 by a minus x is equal to k t. The integration of dt is equal to k is taken as a constant and integration of dt is t, and the value of this integration dx divided by 1 minus x square will becomes as a 1 by a minus x plus c, where c is a constant of integration, when t is equal to 0, that means at the start of reaction when t is equal to 0, then x is always equal to 0. At the start of reaction t is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. Therefore put this value in above equation, then it gives 1 by a minus 0 is equal to k into 0 plus c. 1 by a is equal to c. Put this value in above equation. 1 by a minus x, put in above equation. Therefore above equation becomes 1 by a minus x k into t plus 1 by a. kt is equal to, this value is equal to this, 1 by a is in the plus, therefore 1 by a minus x minus 1 by a. Now here on solving this equation, here the cross multiplication is takes place. kt is equal to a cross multiplication minus a plus x divided by a into a minus x. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया, यहाँ से इधर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया, निगेटिव साइन की वजह से यहाँ पे पहला निगेटिव आएगा, बाद में पॉजिटिव, a इंटू ए माइनस एक्स, ए कैंसिल हो जाएगा. के टी इज इक्वल टू एक्स डिवाइड बाय ए इंटू ए माइनस एक्स. Here we can calculate the integrated rate constant, that means k is equal to 1 by t. This t is in the multiplication, therefore in front side it becomes as a reciprocal of this t. 1 by t into x divided by a minus x, which is the required expression, for the rate constant of a second order reaction. Here k is a rate constant of second order reaction, t is the time required for completion of reaction, a is the initial concentration of a reactant, a minus x is the concentration of a reactant after time t, and x be the number of moles of reactant which is converted into a product. एक बार फिर से हम देखेंगे इस एक्सप्रेशन को. इंटीग्रेटेड रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन हमको निकालना था. सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन मीन्स व्हाट? द रिएक्शन whose rate depend upon the concentration of two reactant. These two reactant may be same or different, but here we have to take an example where the two reactant are same. Suppose a chemical reaction is A plus A changes to product. Initial concentration here A 0. Why 0? Here there is no product is formed, but after a time t, some reactant is converted into product like X. Therefore, the concentration of reactant is also changes A minus X, A minus X. According to the rate law expression, we can write the rate of this reaction. Rate dx by dt is equal to K, concentration of A, concentration of A again. A minus X, A minus X becomes square. dx by dt on rearrange किया. dx x वाली term x side K into dt on rearrange on integrating. Integration dx divided by minus x is equal to integration k into dt. K is a constant term, therefore integration of dt is a t. K constant and integration of dt is a t. Here the value of this integration becomes as 1 by a minus x plus c, where c is the constant of integration, where at the start of reaction, that means t is equal to 0 is taken, then x is a 0. At the start of reaction, there is a no reactant is converted into product, therefore it is 0. Put this value in the above equation, therefore 1 by a minus 0, k into 0 plus c. C will becomes as a 1 by a. Put this value in above equation in place of a c. 1 by a minus x, kt plus 1 by a. Here we can calculate the value of rate constant. Therefore kt is taken in front of these equations. Then 1 by a minus x minus 1 by a. Here we have to take here cross multiplication is takes place. A into 1 a minus x into 1 a into 1 a minus x minus plus x, and here the multiplication of denominator a into a minus x. kt is equal to a cancel, negative positive, x divided by a minus x. We have to find out here the value of k, that means rate constant for second order reaction only, therefore t is taken in front side, therefore 1 by t. This equation becomes k is equal to 1 by t into x divided by a into a minus x, which is the required expression for the rate constant of सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. तो ये बच्चों ये हमारा केमिकल काइनेटिक पे 8वां वीडियो है. शायद यह लास्ट वीडियो हो सकता है या इसके बाद भी एक आधा वीडियो आएगा तो हम देखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.